rare Thanksgiving message from the president, going before the cameras to calm a nervous nation as nearly 47 million Americans head home for the holidays less than 2 weeks after those deadly attacks in Paris. The president saying it's understandable to wonder if what happened in Paris could happen here, but assuring them there is no specific or credible intelligence indicating a plot on our homeland, and they are working around the clock to keep the nation safe this holiday. Tonight, images of a nation on alert, bomb-sniffing dogs at an airport in Atlanta, armed guards at Union Station in Washington, at LAX in California, and right here in New York at LaGuardia Airport. We start tonight with ABC's David Curley.
With tens of millions of Americans on the move tonight, the president tried to offer some reassurance.
We know of no specific and credible intelligence indicating a plot on the homeland.
But there are more police in airports, train stations, and what are called soft targets, shopping malls and other public places. Homeland authorities call it a reinforcement of existing security.
I want the American people to know is that we are taking every possible step to keep our homeland safe.
Not all travelers were reassured.
Him saying that doesn't really make me feel more at ease.
A worldwide travel alert remains in effect tonight for those heading overseas as millions take to the air. Heightened concerns about security. Are you worried?
No, it's not something I like to think about, but I trust that they're doing a good job.
Across the country, security lines long, with TSA expected to handle a 40% increase in flyers.
If you're scared by it and let it run your life, then you'll all be in a house somewhere just hiding.
In New York, balloons being filled for the Thanksgiving parade, with police planning additional presents. After briefing the president, the Secretary of Homeland Security sent his own message to Americans to travel. With raincoat and briefcase in hand, he boarded an Amtrak train for his trip home for the holiday. The president did say if a specific credible threat is discovered, it will be shared with the American public. With that, the president wished the country a happy Thanksgiving. Tom?
Okay, David, thank you.